Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emelie, and in this video we're gonna take a closer look at the Scripty Holiday Die Set. This is a part of Trinity Stamps' new holiday release called Warm and Cozy. This die set contains 4 pieces, and it has the Scripty Happy Holidays along with its separate shadow die. And I will show you here on screen how to assemble these with the Scripty on top of the shadow, and I will also show you how they can be orientated on top of a slimline card base and also on a standard A2 size card base. And I really like this style, this Scripty style of these this sentiment. I think it will be really classy, and I love that it's a little bit bigger. The shadow layer for the happy measures 2.5 wide and 1.5 tall, and the holiday measures 3.7 wide and 1.5 tall, so they are pretty large. And here is one project that I created with this die set, and in the end here I will leave you with some inspiration from the design team. And if you want even more inspiration on how to use this die set, you can also visit Trinity Stamps Instagram, Facebook and blog. I hope you like this. Give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!